other stuff no. Sika eye omu pension ska that they need to buy medication that they need to survive. Our first topic then is say, yes, see, economy no, aye, that all is well with our economy. Though I can list to you, AC says number 3, yes, number 3 for real. Though I can list to you, a lot of things are right with our economy currently. No, they are telling us, say, NDC4 are telling us, say, anyone who looks at the current state of Ghana and still complains about something, especially a bano economy, any financial issues are, sanepano, or MPP ni. Now MPP for no, omumpe Ghana ye. And only MPP people will not be happy with the current system we have. Now, whilst they are championing this rhetoric, whilst they are answering Obia Okasabia say, economy no, whatever you are doing, the exchange rate is looking good, but beyond the exchange rate, Ghanaians, we are not seeing the reality, the transformation in our pocket. When we say this, they say all of us are MPP4. And then also, because already they've been able to buy a media, every year, they've been able to put a media sika into budget. And they succeed also in getting a media stations all to post the same topics, the same captions. And to keep saying, to keep shouting, say, economy, aye. No problem. You can pay the media, you can pay public figures, you can get MPP, TikTokers, social media commentators to keep quiet for you to think, say, you're doing the right thing. But what is happening on the grounds, ebe expose. Ni esisi or grounds, a form hano, ebe expose. Anything, any amenu yakasano, old soldiers. Old soldiers, soldier for, must serve your mind way. Some of them have been to peacekeeping missions. Some of them have secured this nation, the boundaries of this nation, have protected the territorial integrity of Ghana over so many years. As soldier for, must serve your mind way in different capacities. As I say, call retirement, and now minu yekasa abanu diomuka pension money. Abaino, John Mahama abaino. Soldier for retirement currently. Ebimu out of peacekeeping, and then maybe wars they have been to. Some of them have lost a limb, some of them have having PTSD, post-traumatic syndrome, other stuff. Sika pension ska that they need to buy medication, that they need to survive. Abainu, John Mahama abainu ediomuka. And when we are saying, say, sika ni mind whatever is happening, artificial, is not reflecting on the ground here. Say dollar. People are suffering. The ordinary Ghanaian, as you like to call us, ever since you got into power, they say you're ordinary Ghanaian. No problem. The ordinary Ghanaian is suffering, Mr. President. Now, by the microphone car, old soldiers, and car who mo bombwe. A soldier for old soldiers, and also diomuka, who microphone mo boy. Who microphone mo boy. Old soldiers. Old soldiers who diomuka. And to say, Jamama, one crown or Jan Ghana, as I say, because you are owing teachers, you are owing nurses, judicial service, they have gone on strike. Old soldiers and super pensioners and so on diomuka. And the economy, you are saying, the economy is getting better and better and better. What is getting better? Dollar exchange rate, how is it benefiting AMNL, Ghanaians? who at all is enjoying from the 10 billion US dollars John Mahama any NDC4 have pumped into the forest market. All soldiers are asking for their money. I must say, John Dramani Mahama say, they are not asking him to give them a gift. Any gift na mubesa. Omwa musika. Omwa pension money. Mundi tu hose. Ebra more pension mono. That is what they are going to be depending on. Enu na mubisa. John Mahama enu suskanu wahi. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, where is the money that belongs to old soldiers? Soldier for a pension or musika no wahi. But Ghanaians, you see, there is something that is written in the book of Ecclesiastes. And it says, there is nothing new under the sun. Whatever is happening today has happened before. And I believe, that was the reason why MPP4 will try as much as possible to let Ghanaians not make the mistake of going to vote for NDC. Because he say under John Mahama 1.0 mbekaya, soldier for call peacekeeping. Peacekeeping na mu call no African Union etua kanuma aban the money never got to soldiers for no. It was Akufo-Addo government that came to pay a soldier for a muko peacekeeping under John Mahama. Meanwhile, Sikana, they are due no. Omuchiaye they are money no. Omuchiaye ma John Mahama buy no. But the money never got to the soldiers. And Obibia or understanding and say you have a basic understanding of national security. You will get to know, when you go to countries, different countries, you can owe a policeman and be free. You can owe an immigration person, immigration officials and be free. But you don't owe military. Because you need a soldier to be happy for him to defend the territory. When soldiers are not happy, they will not want to lay down their lives to defend the integrity of the nation, the sovereignty of the nation. And all soldiers are John Mahama Mukano. They are part of the reserve of the country. Ebano critical. When we are done, when we have exhausted all the regiments that are there, you fall back on all soldiers. Because besides Ukraine forces, many people are coming out of retirement to hold weapons again and defend Ukraine. To these old soldiers, some of them are instructors. Now, musika mudi tu onu abanu skanu wohe. John Mahama who say economy na ayeye. Why are you not paying people their due? Skanu di aden. John Mahama, His Excellency. Yebi so. Sikano. Udi aden. If you have anything, you can talk to us. We will listen to you. Explain to us. Dollar no, exchange rate no, EFE. No problem. In 11 cities, 12 cities. No problem. You have done good. You have done well. Whatever the approach you use, whether I agree with it or not, Ghanaians are saying exchange rate no problem. But exchange rate no. Why are you owing almost everybody? It seems that the only people you are not owing are ministers near MPs. Yeah. It seems they are the only group of people John Mahama is not owing. No. So, uyi MPs no free wo. Uyi DC is no free wo. Uyi ministers no free wo. John Mahama government is owing almost everybody. Obia, we bia oya John Mahama ban bia John Mahama di omuka. Contractors, hospitals. Even the pastors that they are on their payroll go amudi omuka. Enti mate say before be kura wo kwan so aiba. Because some pastors have not received their salary yet. The salary they are supposed to take from Mahama administration, they have not yet received it. Read that saying. So that is about old soldiers. Old soldiers have sent me this evening to tell John Mahama, say, omu pension monies omu here. They needed to buy medication. John Mahama, say yen shikra, sika omu di beto drone there, fa musika ma aden. I'm sure, say, this evening, old soldiers are happy with me because Uncle Richard, that's saying, because this evening I've a champion or their cause here on the platform. They have sent me, and I've come to share their news with you. Let all ask John Mahama to pay old soldiers. And see, why would tell me Biano through comment section? Pay old soldiers now. Pay old soldiers now. Through comment section, I mean, we say you are following, and let's go to the next topic. As you know, say under Sam George, John Mahama, data no easy. Data, so we about life 1 hour, 2 hours, easy. And yeah, mumboy. Why? Mumboy na me sustain live no na live we no. OWX says that pay old soldiers now. Uncle Richard was also saying pay old soldiers now. Let's go. Pay old soldiers now. Mahama must pay them. Mahama, John Mahama, His Excellency, must pay old soldiers. Pension money is no so tiamo. Sikan what na so yeding. Echebusian for mi momo number never screen no. And so mi data number. Okay, 059573 9837. Mi momo number hasi awaha nunim. Mi momo number and it's also my data number. Wait me sending me data. Wait me sending me momo. Edini Harris. Okay, HARRIS. That's what I've written the Harris, Richard or whatever. So Harris, when you the moment you see Harris, it is me. So kindly support Air Live. You know. Thank you so much in advance. Second topic, Ebusian for Air Bank of Ghana. Mrs. Pabobo says that pay also just now. Thank you so much, Mrs. Pabobo, for bringing that one in.
That's a dear Ben Mukwaim Bibia Kennedy and Fano Oba so baby a Juma wo Mukromo Oba and all ye Jumana no Husika Sano and no bet nani TV station say because no so or the kind of can so koto machines be na no boarding. Ain't yet training jama on to mean to machines no. And no bet na TV so be station be can say I say for ye reform we lazy. Muye lazy. Ain't factory no cross will be a wahono watum. Wa closing it down because muye lazy musa ye reform page ma. Ain't says our papa we can say a famu crono ho. E wonwane net too a. E sit down and net dear. Obe catcher mo say oba be ye bibi amamu na ma jinedi. Ain't delegate amo wa si memo. Ye pamochon. Motie doctor no ba oni mudi nkoma motie nsema doctor edi gugu akwan mu na me ne ya me de kesimpo wo mu ne say doctor say oba obeye welfare system bia obi biara wudu mpenye fie so a se waye adwuma se na wo yokriani se na wo fufuo se na wo twi bicycle obia benya pension obeye pension scheme obi biara udu mpenyin fie so a ubeje pension kakra saade we ekoso wa abrochiman mu enti se doctor tumi ye saade no wo Ghana delegates misremo ebeboa nkasa doctor means bebre no pese odeba Ghana credit score yi a okan ye credit score doctor ba no obe implement ya Mobe hu sani obia hu be hare ne wo Ghana ho sabe abrochirefo ne bia eyo mo ba Ghana mo be ya kesesem ne ade omo shepi niema enye physical cash o enye physical cash eye credit card omunya because omo credit score eye good enti otade no otua ne nkakra eno bi ena doctor pese odeba oman no mu Monsha free education na nado ebeye jano mo baye ena sisi a free education na atiti apansam yo awofo yes sisi a mo betua school fees mato mo maduane masi etua for utilities wo school honom enti se doctor babie ma obeba be revive sa niema ni nyina amaye ma awofo asenya asumdue ne ahoto yesramo delegates monsha say onipa ba akuya ye Canada Japan ani impanyimfu akeka omo wo party num obia afi na NDC edi wa ban mu obia criticize NDC da enso de bia omo party no omo film no eno na omo ba abonten be go party n'anim ase esan otan a omo tan Dr. Mahmood Bawumia nti na omo tan doctor just because omo nim say doctor mra systems no di gugu akwan mu no en favor omo mokro no na youth mo wo Ghana yesra mo delegates no mo nyinara mo hwen ho say party we sisi a youth na gie fin kokkrafo ne nsem na say youth betumi yes I didn't my yes successful I just said Dr. Mahmood Bawumia and I'm to abama na mo betumi achieve sa goal no enti delegate yes remo obia nkwoto na abama Dr. Mahmood Bawumia na yentumi nje party ni emfisa NDC monsamfo yinsem na yehwia enkokrafo ni omo te party no mo amadane Judases ewo party no mo no yeyom nyina efi ho doctor say oba one ye nyina na ebebu man no enti doctor baniesi doctor asumesi we me man position asumesi we unifima doctor beye hwese obi akwatena ho no o se party ni ye fake ye pamo nso a wo se menko sa tintintinti no doctor betena so a ni nyina to betwa obia ni wa party ni ye ne dia na o ma beka se ye agi ye party doctor betena so a the party will be for the people for the people nobody will be entitled to the party anymore into delegates yes remo I see ahine tu ahemfo mo na opportunity ni nyina ekita mo yennim se Kennedy eni omo makeka no omo disika kesi ebremo Kennedy Japan NDC fo na ahye ne kutupa amaniska so onfa mecheche mo na monto aba enti obi odi NDC sika na ebremo no mujidi se moto aba ne mana party no oye ne den obi a afinie ontumi en criticize NDC enso omo no ne omo beko akensie no moto aba ne mana se na beko obi a wedidi MPP fo nyina atem ma ye MPP fo aye wo doctor echi no ya adwen se musuo na Kennedy ba ye mu bie ni ho a obenya adaje mpo enka ye nyina ebefi party no na wahwe kwan obefa so a obewe ni naba enti yesra mo bie ndi sika echi sika na mo beji no enso mo afe enso se mo to abama doctor ba mo benya ne ebro so enfie du 50 years 100 years wonananom ebeba nyina beba benya mfaso ewo systems a doctor de begu akwan mu ma build Ghana one ne papa na nadu ye adwuma kakre ya yehu eniema doctor tumi ye normally enka ye kaso bi ye vice president or ye decorated trophy bi a esi Jubilee house ho na se omo ye occasion bi a ne ye na ba abonten kakra ya be ye show off enso doctor ye vice president no esan se na nadu nim se nyansa da papa ni timu nyansa ke 20 no na nadu man opportunity se meba bibia wo feel se wo bedwen ho a ebeboa me na administration we yetumi apagya Ghana no wo hu a beka kire me na yemfa ho adwen na yenye ampanso through that doctor beye niema bebre drones mobile money operability your friend is saying bebre keke nye ni nyina na metumi aka sa gold for oil niema eniema pi na doctor de Google systems pi na doctor de Google akwan mu a eno na aboa NDC fo ema ye inflation akọ down masidi no any dollar no peja enso NDC fo abetina ho de bom ho osahene se omo na oma beye se adwuma no meanwhile Bank of Ghana boy amane in 2023-24 no mu say by 2025 no say enebesi because of Bawumia nhyehyeye odo betu ho nti no ebema inflation akọ down ebema yesidi no so abasro enti yesremo yes remo delegates ema mo nhwe obi sika ema mo ntie ohima bi ana ohene bi sika ye di ama no na mmom no monto aba ema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nombre no mehyehyɛ Ghana ne yie ma Ghana fo nyina nya mfaso wo so yentu ye ni nhwɛ ne esi wa NDC mu NDC ba ye no selected few bi ena omo di Ghana sika no ena citizens na omo ye deal to say omo be ye enwuma ne ade no Mahama bai wa be pam omo nyina ena odi sika no ema na ebusuafo ne NDC fo no omo ye propaganda ema oba aban no yenhwe obi te say raf ene Mahama tokas mienu na ama no enso Mahama mpese Ghana fo ana MPP fo be bonechi so no na wa ye nti no wa hyeda de afa ne nua no so enso ye Mahama bole bamboy mafia no ono an watoka na ma boy no enti ye hwa sisi a journalist fo ne ade obia start kasa rof biem se ne omo nso ye nhwe Captain Smart any sa ma eja kumo say whatever her name is yehwe ensama a miracle ekwa kasa wie ye no yentie ne oma ba abonten ekeka just because omo hu say ama raf car into omo nso omo pebe enti delegate say yanji oman emfi John Mahama nsem after the next 3 years here Ghana yenim baby ebeko because already no with hot Mahama yes no with research ebinum aye no almost Ghana ya retrogress for back to 20 years ago. So time no now I know na wa ban mu NDC for ya under PNDC enti yesremo delegate yensa dansa yem yekotodwe gufom yepamocho mama nkotu aba makane de yesremo Dr. Wenya Krampo no Dr. Wenya no it should be above 60%. Dr. Wenya no it should be above 60. Nakakra na ebeke chire ne yenchema sankwasefo no se ne ebetumi akoma no atum na yetumi ayiyi sebe nkate boni na efrafra ye mu no yetumi ayiyi efi party no na yenkate kwan ayeda me de edi mutuo medemanu esi medamase mepamocho obi